Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Oras na para pakinggan natin ang biyaheng ipinadala sa atin sa ating Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Ito, ang biyahe ni Lane. Hello DJ Lala, ako po si Lane. Married at may 2 anak. For 6 years, ako ang breadwinner. Nagtatrabaho ako sa call center. May trabaho din naman po ang hobby ko pero parang part-time lang. Until this 2021, nakalis siya sa ibang bansa. Pinrocess namin ang mga documents niya, yung mga kailangan niya, that time, ginapang ko. Pinatigil niya ako sa trabaho nang makaalis siya. Nag-resign naman ako dahil mag-aaral na ang aking grade 1 at daycare. Nung nakakapagpadala na siya ng di-hamak mas malaki sa sweldo ko noon, kumbaga siya na ang nagpo-provide ng food on the table. Parang kada padala niya, naghahanap siya ng resibo. Listahan ng mga pinamili at ano yung mga binili ko. Parang nafe-feel ko na nagdududa siya kung saan napupunta yung perang pinapadala niya, which is sa savings naman at sa mga bata. Kine-question niya kahit yung binili kong simpleng kulon. 200 pesos lang po yun. Parang ang useless ko ngayon at di productive nung nawalan ako ng trabaho. Parang wala akong karapatang gumastos kasi hindi ko siya pera. Para po bang iba talaga kapag may trabaho? Tama po ba yung nararamdaman ko? Sana po mabigyan niyo ako ng payo. Thank you and more power to your show. I know how this one feels. Yung parang pakiramdam mo, kasi hindi na ikaw yung nag-aabot, ikaw na yung inaabotan. Parang feeling mo, nawalan ka ng hold, nawalan ka ng power, nawalan ka ng authority. Parang nawalan ka ng karapatan. Kasi this time around, ikaw na yung umaasa. And it doesn't sit well with you, yung feeling na helpless ka. Yung feeling na wala kang maibuga kapag kailangan or wala kang mailabas kapag may gusto kang something kasi you know that you won't be spending your money. You are now spending someone else's money. Even if mag-asawa kayo, it feels like it's not yours. And every single time na finances ang pinag-uusapan, couples, not only you guys, Lane, feel differently about it. Parang every single time na magtatanong lang, kunyari ng magkano ginastos mo doon, it feels invasive for you. Kasi you are not used being asked kung magkano yung ginastos mo. You are not used of being questioned kung saan mo dinala yung pera mo. Because before, it's the other way around. Or if not, hindi mo ugaling magtanong. You just give what is needed or you buy it and then you provide. That's all you were doing before. Now that the tables have turned, you don't sit well with it. And I understand, my love. And sometimes I do understand as well na you may take offense sa mga ganun niyang gestures. But, my love, isipin mo na lang ganito, no? Wala naman siya sa ibang bansa para mag-party-party. Nagtatrabaho lang din naman talaga siya sa ibang bansa. Kung ano yung tinitipid niya sa ibang bansa, kung ano yung masasave niya sa ibang bansa, he is doing it for the reason na he wants to give you more, you and your family more. So forgive him kung may mga pagkakataon na humihingi siya ng listahan, humihingi siya ng breakdown. He's just trying to see if nagmi-meet pa yung binibigay niya sa ginagastos ninyo, kung kulang pa, kung sobra-sobra na, so that maybe he can have a wiggle room para sa sarili niya doon sa ibang bansa. You know what I mean? Kasi syempre, kunyari, nasanay kayo yung 6,000 a month yung ipinapadala. And then dumating yung araw, dumating yung panahon na yung 6,000, it's kind of hard to earn. O diba, yung expenses mo dun sa lugar kung nasan ka ay tumataas din. So yung 6,000 na yung nakinasanayan nila, kailangan mong bawasan. So now you are, instead of saying na babawasan ko yung 6,000, gagawin kong 5,000 na lang, you are gonna ask, kung ano yung gamit ng 6,000. Kung sobra-sobra ba siya, kulang ba siya. Kumbaga, alam mo yun, ginigauge niya. This is me trying to reason out for the guy, not because I am siding on the guy, but because this is finances. It's very flexible. Alam naman natin na ang gastusan ay hindi naman yan na one time, big time eh. Nagbabago yan through time. You know what I'm saying? I just don't want you to feel na you are being questioned. Na your husband is becoming this man na dahil siya na yung man in power, tinitignan ka niya as someone useless, as someone worthless. I don't want to encourage that kind of mentality in you kasi I know right now you already feel helpless. And anything I say remotely close to that can only trigger yung mentality mong ganyan. So I don't want you to look at yourself like that. My love, there will come a time that those kids can handle themselves. When that time comes, maybe you can go back to work. Maybe you can find a job that can help your husband so that you guys can save even more faster. You can make yourself, to coin your own term, useful again. Pagdating sa finances. Pero do not underestimate what you do right there. Do not underestimate your power of holding the fort habang ang asawa mo ay nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa. You are doing an incredible and hard job. So do not take that one lightly. Not because hindi ikaw yung naglalagay ng pagkain sa pagkainan, ibig sabihin you are useless, you are worthless. You are not that person. Ikaw lang yung pinagkakatiwalaan niyang mag-handle ng pera correctly. Siguro he is asking because before, siya ang nag-handle ng pera. Ikaw yung nagbibigay. So right now, he is just, I don't know, trying to gauge kung okay ba yung nagiging sitwasyon ninyo. Kasi just imagine how he felt like noong mga araw na ikaw naman yung nagbibigay. It's even harder for him because people would expect him to be the provider. Hindi yung nandun sa bahay. Hindi yung nag-aalaga ng bata. Mas malaki yung demand sa kanya to work than you. If yung emotions natin yung tatanggapin natin. You see where I'm getting at? You see what I mean? Na mas malaki yung demand sa kanya ng society na, hey, magtrabaho ka, hindi ikaw yung binibigyan ng pera ng asawa mo. So my love, this is just a phase. Kasi medyo nabobore ka sa bahay. And I get that. I totally do. Pero sabi ko nga sa'yo, a time will come na kaya na nilang alagaan yung mga sarili nila. And then you can find a job that will make you feel good about yourself again. Or you can start a small business na hindi mo kailangan i-sacrifice yung time mo with your kids. I know kung mag-i-initiate ka ng ganyan sa husband mo, he will feel glad that you are not only trying to help more sa family mo more than what you are actually doing right now, which is a big thing by the way, but you are trying to be more productive. No partner will ever be sad kung ganyan ka-productive yung partner niya, kung ganyan yung mentality ng partner niya. Siguro bottom line is, do not look down on yourself. Maybe, please forgive me for saying this, but maybe it's all in your head. Maybe ikaw lang yung nag-iisip niyan and your husband is just hoping and praying that everything that he is doing right now is enough for you. Nagigets mo ko, my love? Tag team kayo dyan. Partners kayo. Do not ever feel like as if you are worthless. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, always take into account what you do there. Kasi ikaw yung nag-hold ng bahay nyo, ng home ninyo together. Ikaw yung gumagabay sa mga anak mo. Ikaw yung tirelessly nakikipaglaro, nakikipag-usap, making sure that everything is on track while he is earning somewhere else. Intindihan mo ko, my love? This is a family thing. Do not let finances define your relationship with your husband. It will pass. Itong moment na to, it will pass. But I don't want you to think about yourself like that. The moment you stop thinking about yourself like that, na ikaw ay pabigat, ikaw ay useless, ikaw ay worthless, you'll see things differently, believe me. Pero dapat mauna ka munang maniwala na hindi ikaw yan. Kesa ipasa mo yung blame sa asawa mo. Klaro? Klaro.